It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 23. I was going to say fabric, but this is not fabric. I mean, after the lotion bar, I have no idea. Oh, yes. Okay, I was at a fun retreat with some other quilters, and Sue from Magic came and visited us. I always stop by their booth at Quilt Market or H&H. Love their stuff. They have a fabulous, fabulous lineup for quilters. You need to go see it. This stuff is great. There is no smell to this, and it builds. It doesn't flake off. No flaky. This is fabulous stuff. You need it. Go get it.